So in this video we will define some of the important trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities also known by the Pythagorean identities. So it is possible to show that if a right angle triangle is there, the radius it is each of which is having angle 1, then this angle R or this length R, A, B, C, and if this is angle theta, then it is possible to show that my R square is equal to under root 1 plus 1, which is equal to root 2, based on my Pythagoras theorem. This is a right angle triangle, and this is 90-degree. This is A, B, and C, and this is what is my A, B, and C points. So this is my angle theta. So it is possible to show that C square is equal to A square plus B square, and 1 is equal to A square divided by C square plus B square divided by C square. So again, while if you are considering your trigonometry, A by C is equal what is my sine theta, and B by C is what is my cos theta. So this is equal to 1 is equal to sine square theta plus cos square theta. So this is one of my trigonometric identity, and this is my first trigonometric identity, and this is known as the Pythagorean identity. Again, it's possible to show that my cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta, and my sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and my tan square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta divided 1 minus cos square theta divided by 1 minus sine square theta. So these are some of the identities which can deduce from my Pythagorean identity. Also, if you write it down, then it's possible to show that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what is, if you are dividing it by cos here and dividing it by cos, then sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to what is my cosec square theta. So these are some of the basic trigonometric identities, and then there is another identity which can be given by sine of A plus B, which is equal to sine of A into cos of B plus sine of B into cos of A. And there is another which is the sine of A minus B, which is equal to sine of A into cos of B plus, or which is minus of cos of A into sine of B. And if my A is equal to B, then my sine of 2A can be written as sine A into cos B, and my cos of 2A can be written as sine square A minus cos square B. this is a here, so this is sine square a minus cos square. So again, so these are some of the basic things which you need to know about trigonometry, and now I will talk. After this I may make some videos about differentiation and integration.